Today's bike of the day is sort of a blast from the past. Hopefully at first glance it kind of looks like a Honda CB1100 to you, but as you might note from that side cover there, it's actually the newer version, the CB1100. Now 2014, which is the model that we have in front of us here, the 2014 Honda CB1100 changed a couple things. One, Honda gave it a new dash, and two, they gave it a 6-speed transmission. But the cosmetics stayed the same. So just for a moment, let me show you what a stock bike looked like. And then here is what this one looks like, because this has a kit from Whitehouse in Japan. So it's actually the name of the company, called Whitehouse, and they made a styling kit for the CB, which I gotta say looks fantastic. It really does capture a lot of the styling of the CB750. So it starts from the front. You can see that fender there and the special mounts for it, turn signals, fork ears, obviously the tank. It's even got the little chrome lip there on the bottom on both sides with the different logo for it and the matching paint. The side cover, like I pointed out earlier, a nice little blend. It gives you that style, the 4 script that you would have on a 750, but of course updated with 1100. And then going back to the rear fender, the seat, can't forget the seat, and this stitching here, plus the brake light, turn signals, that kind of thing. Really the only thing that I think would be the perfect complement is if the motor itself was silver or gray, but realistically it's not gonna happen with an aftermarket kit. But the point is, you could buy all of that, you still can, from Whitehouse in Japan, but this one's cool because it's already here in the US ready to go. And of course, as you can guess, I'm bringing it up because it is currently on our auction site and ending soon if you wanna get your chance to own this. One of the things that's particularly nice about this bike is whoever did the work previously didn't just buy the kit and leave it there. I've seen some of the Whitehouse kit equipped bikes, but they are missing just a couple of final details. Usually the seat kind of looks a little funky, or the exhaust is different because they kept the stock pipes. Well, on this one, the previous owner put spoked DID wheels on it and this gorgeous 4x4 exhaust by a company called Wyvern Classic. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. But again, a 4x4 exhaust here, which is pretty great. It's got just under 10,400 miles, and the exhaust looks great. It's still on the timid side sound-wise, but let's just hear it go. Nice little rumble. You're not going to upset your neighbors with that. So we did warm it up before filming this video, but you can hear there's a little bit of a backfire there at the end. This bike, I believe there's a change to the air intake, and the seller also, or the previous owner I should say, also updated the ECU, flashed it to help with tuning and also remove something that Honda restricts power, I believe, in the first 2 gears. So that has been removed. So there you go. Real quick, simple example of a bike, a modern retro take of that kind of thing. But I always thought that Honda's version of it didn't really capture the styling perfectly. This kit does a great job. So again, if you want one, a bike that's already got the kit on it, it's already in the US ready to go, check out the link in the description to bid on the bike yourself. Thanks for watching.